will maintain the lead into turn number 1. Max Verstappen in second. Around the outside goes Kimi Antonelli. Outside line.
This is one of the Formula 1 circuits in the world. At reng utak at tsukeng gulot na reng iconic F1 racetrack at Tilke Engineers and Architects at Chulakete king Pampanga para king makasali sayang proyekto ing Pradera Verde Circuit. Asahan niyang mitalakad keti king Balen Lubao, ingaman wang world-class motorsports facility, kayag na ning gera pa na groundbreaking ceremony, king pamanimuna ning businessman ay Rodolfo Bong Pineda.
Ito yung pinangarap ko dito sa Lubao. Unang-una sa buong Pampanga, magkaroon tayo ng maraming pupuntahan ng mga tao sa buong Pilipinas papunta rito sa Lubao. Meron tayong golf course, meron tayong flying na mga ultralight, meron tayong wakeboard, meron tayong water park, at meron tayong theme park.
The upcoming circuit will cover 4.8 kilometers, features 17 technical turns, and is engineered for high-speed action with a top speed of 255 kilometers per hour and an average speed of 155 kilometers per hour. The facility will boast 2 layout configurations, 2 club loops, and a dedicated drag strip, making it a venue for competitive racing, timed attack events, and club track days.
So this is going to be a club track that will host multiple national races. It's going to be 4.8 kilometers. There's 3 configurations, a drag strip, 2 club loops, and it's going to have a professional karting track. A very interesting pit building. It's a V-shaped pit building, and one of a kind in the Philippines.
Once completed, the Pradera Verde Circuit is expected to become a hub for motorsports in Southeast Asia, attracting racers, enthusiasts, and events from around the world. Magpasikan ka nung Lakwa City, king turismo ning Lubao at ning lalawigan.
Before pa rin naman ito, nandito na ang golf course, nandito ang wake park, ang theme park, ito open na, ongoing ang water park na ginagawa. Tapos ito ang circuit. Ito masasabi ko na hindi lahat ng probinsya merong ganito na katulad na sa atin. Hindi lang hindi lang Lubao ang magbe-benefit dito. Tayong mga Kapampangan kasi dadayo ang mga turista, di ba? Ang mga taga-ibang bayan, taga-ibang probinsya dadayo sa atin.
Metong yang German company ing Tilke akilala king pa magdisenyo kareng F1 grade tracks king Mabilo Gayato. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.